know that a low credit score isn't permanent. We've created a simple system that helps you improve it. The first step will be a free 15-minute consultation with one of our credit specialists to assess your credit profile and create a strategy tailored to your unique situation. Then we go to work disputing the items that have a negative impact on your score and quickly get them removed or properly reported. This will provide an immediate boost to your credit. Next, we start adding positive accounts to your profile, like rent reporting or credit cards. It doesn't happen overnight, but this is where you see your credit score grow the most. Now that you've got great credit, we'll help you learn how to use it. This means getting approved for a mortgage, saving money on your auto loan, and lowering your insurance premiums. Poor credit isn't permanent. We make it easy to fix your credit. Repair, build, leverage.